It's time to dish in the Winn-Dixie kitchen, and Jay Phelan is here with me right now. Jay just launched something really exciting. Tell us about the project.
The project is called the Adventure Cookbook. I'm writing a second cookbook. The first cookbook, Paleo Grilling, went really, really well. It was pretty successful, so 3 years later, I'm ready to dive back into another cookbook.
When you're on an adventure, a lot of times camping is a part of it, and I've always heard that you can either do camping right or wrong, and you do it right. So teach us.
I've learned to do it right. I've had enough of burnt hot dogs and ash in my baked beans, so I've become better about cooking healthier for myself and also being more efficient with everything that I do. So this is a one-pot all-day cooking. Let's say your whitewater rafting trip is going out at 7 o'clock. You're up at 5:30. You make yourself eggs and bacon, get your day started. Now you're preparing for lunch. You're going to be back immediately after breakfast. You have the fat from the rendered bacon, and you're going to start lunch. So when you get back, lunch is done.
Okay, I want to talk to you for a second, though, about this. Do you vacuum seal your ingredients when you go on a camping trip?
I cut, prepare, vacuum seal everything before I go. Everything is done and ready. I'm not doing any cutting or any of that while I'm camping.
Okay,
That's a mess. It's a mess.
Now breakfast is done, and the time that you'd usually be cleaning stuff up, you're not. You're just adding ingredients to
You're getting ahead so you can spend the rest of your day exploring as much as you can, exploring, living in the adventure that you came out there to do.
Okay, so you're going to throw in the meat, obviously.
This is beef. This is a braising cut. This is beef shoulder. You want something that can cook a long time.
Okay. And then various vegetables, obviously.
Right. We're just going to season. Make sure you season it. This is something you want to season as you go because this is a day-long cooking, so you don't want to over-season it now because it'll get a little salty. We're going to add onions, celery, and carrots. We typically let this brown a little bit more. We're going to add some tomato. So just simple crushed tomato. Throw that in a little bit. And this is just chicken broth. Make sure it's unsalted.
Okay. Because you want to be in charge of this amount of salt.
Right. You can always add salt. Here's your lunch. Okay. And actually to this, I added some chicken and kale sausage. Okay. So this is a pretty hearty lunch. And then what we would do with this, with what you have left, add some more stock to it. And this should be pretty thin. And then whisk in, this is just cornmeal. So when you get back, it's going to be a full, hearty meal.
Okay, and it'll have a little bit of a different flavor because of the sausage that you had added. So, all right, now we will link to a Kickstarter campaign on our website that you have for your Adventures Cookbook. And now when we go camping, we can have really delicious meals, 3 different meals in one pot. And safe travels to you, Jay.
Thank you. I leave soon. This is going to be an incredible adventure, and the book will reflect all of the incredible places that I'll go, show you where to go, how to have an incredible time, and how to cook and prepare the whole time that you're there. And so you're not spending all your time cutting and cooking and cleaning.
Get out and have a good time.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.